Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable notification history tracking or saving on your Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the setting gear button. You want to go underneath settings now and select the notifications button. And then under manage, select notification history. So if notification history is turned off, it'll look like this. It'll say notification history turned off down here. If you want to enable notification history, click inside this oval one time in order to turn it on to the right, and you will see any recent notifications populating in a list down here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.